G'day everyone, Elliot here from Access Alarms. I'm just coming at you today to show you how to get your Hikvision Intercom system onto your mobile phone. Cheers, let's get started. So, as you can see here, first things first, what we're looking at is we have an intercom system here. We have a Hikvision door station. This is typical of most of your common apartment complexes, and a video screen that you would have in your apartment, or it might even be a simple thing that you've got set up at your home. Process is still the same thing. So there's just connecting an intercom. You need to install the guarding, the Hik-Connect app, Play Store, and you want to look for Hik-Connect. You can see there it is there. This is your Hik-Connect. So you want to install Hik-Connect for end user. Okay. Once you've installed that, it'll come up with this screen here. You can see, just go log in or register. It will ask you where you're from. Are you from Australia or overseas? Any of those sorts of things. Just tick the appropriate ones where you're from, and then you should get to this screen here. Now, if you've got a previous account set up, just log in. If you don't, you need to go register. Joining us, agree. Okay, I'm in Australia. Now I've just set up a temporary email address, intercoms@accessalarms.com.au. You can spam me if you want. This email address is not ever looked at, but let's just create it at 789 Hikvision. Okay. That's pretty cool. And go get security code. Now it asks you for a password T5AC. Hit OK. Now I might just pause this until we receive the code, but I should see it here quickly. Sometimes you have a bit of time wait between, but this came through pretty quickly. So if we just click on there, we've now got a security code. There it is there, 8393. Let's just punch that in, 8393, and finish. Cool. So now you've got we need to connect this to your Wi-Fi. As you can see at the top on the screen here, I've got a little Wi-Fi symbol. It says it's currently unlocked. I should be able to zoom in here and show you what I mean. In the corner there, you can see the Wi-Fi symbol is actually saying disconnected. So let's connect it up to Wi-Fi. So if you go to settings, go to Wi-Fi and turn on your Wi-Fi, it will scan, it will find. I'm just going to connect it to our access guest. Okay. Okay. And now you can see at the top here, before we had the red, now we've got a little. Okay, so we've signed into our app. You need to get the information out of the screen now. So once you've got this connected to the Wi-Fi, go to settings. Down the bottom right-hand corner here, the very bottom one, and then you want to go to device information. Now, all you need is the serial number that you've got there. In some of the newer models, you'll actually get a QR code appear down the bottom. Okay, so pretty straightforward to do. What I would then do, you want to go add device. Okay, if you've got a QR code, you can scan the QR code. If you don't, just go add device manager manually. And then we've got our serial number, which is Q 17735 752. That's our current serial number that we got here, and go add. Now there you go. It'll enter your verification code. Usually the verification code is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but you may have one set up from originally. If you need it, just give us a call. If we installed the device, the verification code will just be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, unless you've got one specific for your site that we've set up, in which case we can certainly help you anyway. So I'm just going to set this up as test or demo intercom. Go next. Okay, cool. What I would also do, if you want us to be able to help you in the future, I would just put authorize now. That's just who do you want as a service provider. You can just add us if you just type in info, or you can type me in actually, Elliot at accessalarms.com. Go okay. There you go, service providers, Access Alarms. Go okay. All right, we'll get an invitation to say that's who it's come from. And now you can see straight away the intercom's kicked in and working. You'll see there we go. I've got my device management information. So if you just click on here now, it should open up the video door station. You should be able to see, yep, there you go. That's our one there. You can see that's working. Pretty nice and quick. You can unlock the door. You want to open the door? Yes.
The door is open.
There you go. Door is open. And you can start doing two-way audio. So I would suggest that those sorts of things, ask me later. The other thing you can do, just make sure that your notifications and everything are enabled for the app. I'm not going to go through that, but if you've got an iPhone, you need to make sure that Hik-Connect can actually send you notifications. But typically, if you now close the app down, let's close the app down. Close and close. Now, if you hit the intercom, you can now see there it is coming up. So the request a call, I can answer it, hang up, and you can unlock the door and do everything that you did before. So you can see that that came straight through my phone. So that's as easy as it is. There's nothing too much more to it. If you do have any questions, flick us an email here. Best one's info@accessalarms.com.au, or give us a call on 1300 049 969. Cheers.